more than 2 centuries, a unique item has been kept in the State Hermitage collection in St. Petersburg, invariably exciting general admiration. It is the famous peacock clock, created in the 1770s by an outstanding British goldsmith, James Cox, who became well known during his lifetime as the inventor of unique automata. The clock is not only a fashionable automaton of its time with an intricate mechanism, but also a real work of art. In a glass aviary, a peacock, a cockerel, an owl, and squirrels sit on the branches of an oak tree. When wound up, special mechanisms set the figures of birds in motion. The dial is hidden in the cap of a mushroom, which grows under the oak. In the cap, there is a slot showing Roman and Arabic numerals to indicate hours and minutes. The dragonfly resting on the mushroom serves as the second hand. 4 separate mechanisms are combined in the clock. 3 of them set the figures of birds in motion, while the 4th is the actual clock movement. The automaton was ordered by Prince Potyomkin as a gift to Empress Catherine the Great. In 1781, the clock was brought to St. Petersburg in pieces, and in 1794, a talented Russian mechanic, Ivan Kulibin, set it in working order. In 1797, the clock was transported from the Tavrida Palace to the small Hermitage. Each Wednesday in the Pavilion Hall, the magic birds in the Enchanted Garden come to life, exciting admiration of the visitors. The peacock clock in the Hermitage is the only automaton by James Cox to come down to us unaltered and in a functioning condition.